Welcome to my home. My name is Sarah Sturm. I'm a professional cyclist and I'm going to give you some tips for riding in cold weather because it is something I do very often and I feel like a crazy person out there, and I don't have to because you're gonna be out there joining me soon enough. Step one, coffee. It's loud. Step one, complete. Next tip, always have a small assortment of tools and things to help you change a flat tire. I'll show you what I keep in my kit. A cute little pump. Chain lube is really clutch move there. And then these things are called tire levers. Having these to help you pop the tire off the rim is super important. And then a multi-tool, and then a tube. That's an important one. And if you don't have any of this, bring a cell phone. Otherwise you're gonna be walking home and that sucks. When you're out there, it's super important to hydrate and to have enough calories and some real food too. One of my tips is actually put bags on my feet to protect them from the wind. So grab what you have. For me, it's a poop bag. And you can style it however you want. Booty 101, poop bags. And off we go. I think it's inspiring to ride in the cold because it's just so different. You feel super epic when you're out here and it's like 10 feet of snow around you. You totally do not need fancy bikes or fancy gear to ride in the winter. The hardest part is the same for everyone. It's just getting out the door. So if you're on a road kind of like this that maybe has been snow-packed at some point, you never want to touch your brakes when you're hitting ice because that'll cause your wheels to lock up. I just remember to keep consistent pace, pedal through, look ahead, and don't touch your brakes. Keep you safe. I like to run a little bit lower pressure in the winter, so you have more tire on the road and you have more surface area touching, and again, more traction, safer. The thing I love most about riding my bike is just the possibility. New roads, new adventures. It's just kind of endless, inspiring. Plus, you can eat whatever you want. That's great. This is the point of the ride that I usually like to reward myself with that hot drink. I'm Sarah, and this is how I go.